How you doing, guys? Dr. Dex Alvarez here, Paloma City Chiropractic and Wellness Center. Got Dr. O on the table here today, and I wanted to kind of go through, because I get questions all the time from patients that they're looking for adjustments that don't necessarily have that like cavitation sound or that clicking or popping when we go ahead and work in their neck, mid back, or lower back. And we have a lot of different tools at our disposal now with the science of chiropractic evolving the way that it has. We have a lot of different tools so we can get the same exact results in with our patients without having to have that manual adjustment. So the one that we utilize here in the office quite a bit is what's called an ArthroStim. So the ArthroStim can be used in a lot of different capacities, from using it for muscle work to actually getting it hard enough to be able to perform an adjustment. So I wanted to show here on Dr. O, because if you're like my wife or my mom, they don't like their necks being adjusted manually. Not an issue at all. We get the same exact results with this guy. So when we're coming in and after, obviously after a proper exam and x-rays and we know what we're doing, we can come in and find the areas that are restricted and really easy, controlled, soft adjustments, get the movement that we need in every area and still see the same results that we would see with a manual adjustment with our hands. So how'd that feel, Doc?
Great.
So nice, easy adjustments, very specific, very controlled, and it's a great alternative to those manual adjustments. So I hope this kind of answers some questions and gets you guys excited to come on in and get yourself checked out and get adjusted. Have a great day.